Hello, hello! Hala, naitom na ko. Charing. Hello, good morning everybody. It's actually not morning anymore. Tanghali na po. So, good afternoon everybody. Happy first day of June po pala. June na. Hala ka. Ang bilis ng panahon. It was just like what? Almost 1 year ago today. Now, I'm preparing for my flight papunta dito sa US. But right now, oh my God, I'm gonna be 1 year na po. Almost 1 year na po ako dito sa US. Ayan. So, happy first day of June. Hala ka, kay Nigra na ako, uy. Naitom na gid akong no, fishing pa more. So, first day of June, we went fishing yesterday sa Navarre. I'll just insert the video yesterday sa Navarre. Walang masyadong ganap sa Navarre kahapon. It was windy, but there was no fish. Or there's fish. There are some fish. Spanish. There was one king hooked, but he got away. So, ayun.
Hooked one and got ate by a little bit small one, ate by a dolphin, and Jack hooked a nice one, big one.
Oh, may dalawa daw. Yung isa is na kinain ng dolphin. So, anyways, ayun po yung nangyari kahapon. But today, it was actually windy, good. The weather was really good yesterday for like fishing. So akala namin there's gonna be a lot of fish yesterday. But anyway, no. I caught a lot, hindi ko na videohan. Ewan ba? I caught a lot of LYs and SIGs or parang galunggong sa atin. Ang liliit ng ibang galunggong, ang liliit na ng mga galunggong. Pero I caught like some like this big, mga SIGs. So ayun, kinukuha niya sa fridge namin yung mga SIGs. Anyways, we're going fishing today. Sa ano naman kami because it's Saturday. Friday, we go to Navarre for fishing. Or fishing at, we do fishing at Navarre on Fridays. And then Saturday, sa Pensacola naman po kami. Pensacola Pier. So hopefully, we caught something today. So wala tuloy akong nabigay ng mga fish sa mga friends ko na Filipina yesterday. Ang daming Filipino doon. Ang daming Filipino. May mga na-met na ako. May mga na-met na ako doon. Halos isang taon na rin kaming magkakilala. So, ayun sila. Nandun sila kahapon. Wala akong maibigay na fish kasi wala kaming huling king mackerel. So, hopefully, we get something today. Anyways, update ko kayo. We're just gonna prepare and head to Pensacola Pier. Yung weather pala natin, super last night. It was really raining so bad. Uy! There's golfers now, huh? Ngayon ko lang sila nakita. Ayan yung weather natin, very cloudy. It was raining cats and dogs last night. It was lightning and thundering, and then so I sat here yesterday morning while my husband had a meeting, and then we forgot to cover it, so it's soaked in rain. So ayan po yung weather natin. Mahangin siya, mahangin siya. But then very cloudy. Kanina ang itim-itim niyan. So, ayun, nakapag-lunch na pala kami. So, mag-prepare lang kami. See ya, everybody! Hopefully, we get something today. King? Shark?
Jaden Ripoffs. Fighting.
I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
I think someone's having a wedding. There. You can see the bride. The bride is not there yet. People surfing there. There. There is a wedding. There's a beautiful bride right there. Oh, they're taking off the sandals. The entourage is walking down
Careful,
there.
the hook's sticking out of that brown bag.
Yeah. May rabbit sa bakuran namin. Don't know if you can see that. May tatlong rabbit. Tsaka yun. Kanina nandun yung isa. Itong isa. Nandun siya sa likod ng bakura namin. Ngayon nandito sila. It's 3 rabbit. Come rabbit, rabbit. Come rabbit, rabbit. Hi rabbit. Nakita natin. Dito lang tayo. Ayan na. Tumalikod na yung isa. Hello. Hello rabbit. Itong isa. Cute. Look at that. Hello. Oh, no. Ayun yung dalawa. Ayan na. Yun na siya. Natakot siya. Natakot yata. Siya! Yun na ang weather namin, no. No. Bahay na kami, guys. Ayan, gulo-gulo ng buhok. Oh.
They're awesome.
Oh, ayan. Ito yung nahuli ko kanina, guys. Look at that. Galunggong na this. Okay, this is mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We need about 50 of them.
And then,
before we can eat them.
I caught some
Yeah, why?
LYs as well. Ayun na, nandyan na yung LY. Open na ko yan. Dami kong LY. Yan, LY. And then galunggong.
See the difference between good cigs and bad ones?
Yeah.
See the bad ones? See the good ones?
Guy, kalami ani prituhon, my God.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, keep that away from me.
Hide them.
Nandun pa rin sila. Nandun pa rin.